You old whippersnapper, you! Are you tired of being fat?
Life alert! I've fallen and can't get up.
Well, maybe you should try some diet pills. There are a variety of colors and assortments. Just try a few. So yummy in the tummy. But if you just try a few, you could end up looking fly and fine. Look at those girls strutting their stuff. I loving the blue hair. But if you don't try those, you could end up dieting for dummies for the rest of your life. But those chocolate truffles, boy, are they delicious with their inside gooey chocolateness. But let me tell you about their calories. The calories are up the wall. But nacho cheese, they are what is in the calories. But if you trim down the side, you could be looking like her in no time. Look at her. But just call 1-800-DIET-PILLS. Stop! That is my girlfriend! Side effects may include cramping, gas, diarrhea, raised blood pressure, and increase of heart attack, and even death.
Poor Sasha died from the side effects of the pills.
Right, turn off the lights. We're gonna lose our fat tonight. Try some diet pills.